Hello inventors, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create progress bar using one free extension. So here we go. So click on start new project and my project name is progress bar new. And we are going to use here one free extension and that developed by Varsha. So I will give you that link in the description. So you need to download that extension. Okay, so just go to the here link and we need to download that extension and go to the MIT App Inventor, and that's the first screen. So I'm going to change that background color of that screen. So I will choose here one background image, upload file. So uploading one file here, so that's background, and I'm going to use here one layout. So click on layout and you will see here horizontal arrangement. I'm going to use here horizontal arrangement and make this with this fill parent, and the height I'm going to make it is like 20% like this, and make this one in a center like this. Cool. And sorry, to the screen make it in a center like this, and we need to use here one label and it just says something like loading and ... and make it 27 something. In the left you can make it assign left. In the horizontal you can make a line should be in a left like this. Cool. And you can make that if 20 is 2, so like make it 15 or 10, it's fine. Cool. Now that's our progress bar. Now I'm going to add here one more screen. Click on add screen and the screen name is screen 2. It's simple. And in the screen 2 what I will add just simple label here, and I just say here to screen 2 like this, and make this 30 40 something, and make this one in a center like this. Okay, now let's go to the screen 1 and I'm going to use here one timer also. So in the left side you will find the sensor, and just drag and drop your clock and define that time to 4000. This is the 4 second. And now go to the block section. So whenever our screen will initialize, okay, we are in the screen 1. Okay, so whenever the screen will initialize, so we have to set, go to the design and we need to drag and drop our extension. Go to the extension, click on import file, click on choose file, and then import it. And now just drag and drop that extension in the screen. It's simple like that. Go to the block and click on that progress layout, and you will see here create ID and layout. So on the screen initialization we will create ID is you can define anything. So I will define from the math is something 1 like this, and the layout I'm going to define is horizontal arrangement. Simply call it here. Now click on again progress layout and we'll see the properties. So call this here, and the ID we already have defined that the this one, and the progress value you can define anything, like suppose the 10, and the current value I will just define here the 1. Okay, and the auto progress should be true. So this will your progress bar will be progress in every second. Okay, so like this. Now what I will do on the clock here, okay, so on the clock timer I will display open the another screen. So first I will click on the text and drag and drop it here, and just type your screen 2 like this, and just click on anywhere in the screen and just type open another screen like this. Call it here, call this one here screen 2, and it's simple. So go to the design, screen 2 is here, screen 1 is here, and it's on. Okay, and now let's go to refresh this campaign and let's see. Here is the loading, and you see the progress bar. Yeah, it's very lighter. Okay, so yeah, but the problem is we have defined that the timer is the 4 second. Okay, so let me just open the screen 2 first, and let me just define to 10 seconds. Let's connect and let's refresh again, and let's see. It's loading, and you can see here the progress bar, it's loading, and whenever it's complete it means it's take 10 seconds. Our timer is also 10 seconds. It's done and loading, and screen 2 will open like this. So it's really simple way to create a progress bar using this extension. Okay, so if you have option to change the progress bar color, so it would be really better. Okay, so that's the overall use of that extension. If you need any help on that, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.